Hello, this is Nick Williams. Thank you for taking the time to watch this. I wanted to give you a bit more information about the event that I'm running called Become an Authentic Expert. Now, if you're anything like me, I never thought I could become an expert. You know, the idea of an expert was somebody who was academic with loads of books published, an institution behind them, probably grey, old, and all sorts of different things. So basically, I think there's a lot of myths about expertise. So what I'm not suggesting is that I can help you become the world's expert, because I don't think you have to become the expert. What I want to get across to you on this event and help you get for yourself is that all expertise is relative. It's relative to the people that could usefully know what you know. Because I think what happens is we kind of look at our heroes and heroines, the people that we look up to, whichever area we operate in, and go, gosh, they know so much, they're so much wiser, they can say things so much better than me, they're so much more experienced and articulate. But what we tend to forget is that we know things. We've learnt things, we have accumulated experience, and what we know is valuable to people that don't know what we know. So our job is to kind of sit in the middle and learn from the people that know more than us, but share what we know with those that don't know what we know. But what I've found over the years very much is that a lot of people almost, and I've had this myself so I can relate to it, is we almost have like a blind spot around what we know. Maybe we've spent 5 years accumulating kind of experience and wisdom, or 10 years or longer, however long you've been doing what you do. And when it becomes kind of natural and easy to us, we kind of get to a place where we go, yeah, but this is so easy and natural, can't everybody do this? Isn't this just, isn't it obvious to everybody that this is how things operate? So I think the paradox is that when we do get to a level where we actually do have expertise and experience and a kind of level of mastery around what we do, we almost become blind to it and we miss it. So part of what I want this event to help you do is to recognise what it is that you know, to be able to own it and go, yeah, there's a lot that I don't know, but there's a lot that I do know. So let me share what I do know with the people that would love to know what you know. So I want to help you do that. I want to help you blow a lot of the myths out of the water about what it means to be an expert, because I think most of us have kind of very limiting ideas, and so I'm going to help you kind of blow some of those out of the water so that you can kind of claim your authentic and true level of expertise right now and know that you'll develop that from here on in. But I also want to teach you, well, what is the job description of being an expert? What does it involve? So I'll give you kind of the job description, some of the characteristics of being an expert, and then, we've only got 3 hours together, so it's not a massive amount of time, but also tips about how you start building your platform so that people see you as a go-to person, somebody who does have experience, who can help them solve particular problems or help them achieve particular results in their life. Because for me, now I am regarded as an expert in my field by many people, and I've got to tell you, it's such a blessing. People now come to me to ask me for my opinion, to ask for my input, to hire me to do things, and it's such a wonderful place to be. As an expert, you still have to kind of sell and market yourself to some extent, but you do it in a different way. Basically, you do it through educating people. You do it through sharing what you know with people in kind of bite-sized form. And when you share what you know with them, they come back to you for more because they see that you know what you're talking about. So I'm going to be helping you kind of begin to establish your kind of expert platform and understand what that could look like, so that you can start becoming a bit of a beacon for people and drawing people to you rather than you having to go out and chase them and find them. So if that sounds like it could be useful to you, great, love to see you on October the 2nd. I think it's 2:30 to 5:30 we're running, central London, right next to Great Portland Street Tube Station. So just a 3-hour seminar with a little break in the middle, but you'll come away with a little manual with some of the ideas, plus I'll share more of what I've just been talking about, plus you'll get the opportunity to meet a few people through doing some exercises. So you should come away with a really clear roadmap of what you need to implement after the event as well. So thanks for watching this, hope you found it useful, and hopefully see you on the 2nd of October. Thanks, bye bye.